How's it going, guys? It's Kevin from Subispeed, and it is time for new products of July. Now, before we get into the new products of this month, I do have something to give away this month. This is a parent battery tie down for the 2015 and up WRX SCI and the FRS BRZ and 8.6. All you have to do is subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below with what parts you'd like to see installed on our WRX next. Next month in the new products video, I will announce the winner. So good luck to everybody who participates. So in the past, we've mainly focused on lowering all our cars, whether it be the WRX, the SCI, or the Forester, or the BRZ. We've always thrown some coilovers on there and lowered it. We've never really thought about lifting them at all, and I want to change that. So for those of you who rallycross your car or you want to do some off-roading, I'm looking to bring in some different suspension components for you. For this month, we brought in some new parts from Subtle Solutions, mainly their spacer kits. So these range from 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch, and they install super easily on top of your top hats to raise the car and give you a slight lift. There's a multitude of different options for you guys to choose from. So if you're looking to do the opposite of lower your car, these are now an option on our website. Another new suspension component we've got this month is the brand new Hypermax S coilover system from HKS. They just recently released this. This is going to be replacing the Max 4 GT series that's been out for about 9 years now. So there's been a lot of new technology that has come out and is incorporated into these new coilovers. So these have their dual PVS, which is their preload valve system that is going to be a major improvement in ride comfort without affecting the driving performance. You've got 30 levels of adjustable damping. They also have their new bump stop rubber. That's a new shape to help reduce body roll and improve ride comfort at the same time. It also utilizes low friction technology. This is going to improve the ride quality and handling, and these come with a 3-year warranty compared to the 1-year warranty of the Max 4 GT. I would classify these as kind of a dual purpose coilover that's more oriented to street and comfort. So if you are looking for something that is going to have very nice ride qualities out on the street, but you can also take it to a couple autocrosses and track days throughout the year, this is going to be the perfect option for you. We've also got in some new wheels from Wedsport, which are their SA25Rs. These are a 10-spoke design. These are a 19-inch fitment, which we are continuing to add to our website. So if you're into those bigger wheels, don't worry, we're continually adding them to our website. These are available in a 19 by 9.5 plus 38, or a 19 by 8.5 plus 38, or plus 45 offset in either a platinum silver or a metal black finish. And these weigh in at, I think, just over 20 pounds. If you guys have been following along on our website, you may have seen that we've been adding a decent amount of Tomioka racing products to the site, and another new one is the equal length header for the FA20 WRX. A lot of you guys know that we have the Tomei unequal length header on the car right now, but I am very much contemplating putting some equal length headers back on the car to make even more power. Let me know what you guys think. A couple new products from Cobb this month, the first one being their Redline carbon fiber engine cover. I believe they also have a carbon fiber intake snorkel as well. So if you are a big fan of carbon fiber accents and you have other Cobb products on your car, these are gonna be right up your alley. The second product is a partnership they did with Titan 7. They've got their TD6 wheels, Cobb edition, which is a cyber gold finish in an 18 by 9.5 plus 40 fitment. That gold is pretty much gonna work with any color that these cars come in, especially the World Rally Blue. Last up, we have the ETS resonated stainless steel mid-pipe kit. So if you already have some ETS axle backs, this is gonna allow you to turn those into a full catback system so you don't have to go out and buy a whole new exhaust if you're looking to upgrade. I also almost forgot to mention the featured products for this month. If you guys aren't familiar, last month I mentioned that I'd be adding some products to these videos that I know are currently in stock, because I know we've had issues keeping things in stock. So these are products that are going to be available to ship today if you order them. The first two are different aftermarket headlight options for you. We've got the OLM Hikari LED headlights that are installed on our WRX, as well as the Subispeed V2 sequential headlights, both for the 15 through 17, as well as 18 and up. So no matter what headlights or model of car you've got, we have got you covered if you're looking for some aftermarket headlights. Another lighting product we've got is the Subispeed F1 lights. These are currently in stock for all of the different colorways, so whether you are looking for a smoke lens, clear lens, red lens, they are all available. And then we also have the Subispeed gurney flap for the OEM trunk lip spoiler. This requires no drilling whatsoever. It installs using super strong double-sided 3M tape. I've actually used the gurney flap itself to pull the WRX to show how strong that tape was. It is not gonna come off as long as you make sure everything is clean and prepped when you install it. Last up, we have the Subaru JDM OEM dual console armrest extension that were super popular, but we weren't able to keep them in stock. They are now in stock. This basically just adds a storage compartment underneath your armrest and brings it up to a higher level that's much more comfortable for you to rest your arm on. And that is pretty much it for this month, guys. If you like something you saw, the links are down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below to enter into the giveaway. Like I said, I will announce the winner in next month's new products video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.